friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snowy Rescue Cole from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, let's get started with the shape of the body. So moving up in the center of our page, starting right in the middle here, we're just going to curve this line around, and we're going to tuck this down on the left. And then starting back up in the center here, we're just going to again curve this around and down on the right. We're going to end that at the same height as best as we can. From here now, from that point, we're just going to curve this line through towards the bottom on a diagonal. We'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Let's flatten this out. We're still going to add a slight curve to it, but we're going to flatten this out as we connect each edge together. Let's add in the details now. Moving up on the inside for the nose, let's draw a straight line directly across. On both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down on both sides. And then we'll close this off underneath with another straight line. For the mouth, right in the middle, another straight line coming down. And then from that center line, just two diagonal lines coming across. Let's move up now. On a diagonal, we're going to draw in a circle for the left eye. And then lining that up at the same height on the right hand side, we're going to add in our second circle. Now let's add in the eyelid. So we're just going to curve this line up and across on both sides. And then for the pupil underneath, let's draw in a half circle. Now let's color in those half circles black. Now let's come up for the eyebrow. So leaving a small gap from the eye, we're going to curve this line up and over on a diagonal. We'll do this on both sides. Now let's draw in a curved line on the top and bottom at the same width. And then now we're going to draw in another curved line, dragging this over and into the bottom. Let's come across for the cheek. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line up and down. We'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now to the left of this, we're going to arch this out, tucking that back in. We'll replicate that on the right hand side as well, leaving a gap right in the center. And then now coming down on the bottom, arching this over and up on both sides. Let's move through to the top now. So we're going to draw in an arch line right in the center. And now from each side of this, we're just going to curve this line over and across to the left and right hand side. From that point here now, we're just going to tuck this back up, ending that at the same height. And then again, from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving this over to the side of our page. Let's come down for the feet. So leaving a gap from the center, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we'll step across, lining that up at the same height again, tucking that through on another diagonal to the edge there. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line. Let's step across for the ear. So sort of where the hairline's up here, we're going to start on the outside and we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this all the way around and then attaching that through to the side of the body. We'll replicate this on the right. So again, on the same spot, curving this around, tucking this all the way around and in. We're going to replicate that shape in the center. So stepping across, leaving a small gap, again, curving this around and through to the middle. And then we'll replicate that again on the right. Now let's come across. We're going to draw two very small diagonal lines stretching out. And now let's draw in a small circle on top of that. Now let's come through on the left. We're going to draw on the flag. So let's draw a diagonal line that comes out. We'll step across, lining that up at the same height, pulling that back down to the head. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line on the very top there. Now for the flag, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. And then from that point, we're going to drag this diagonal line back through to the stick there. Now let's come down. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in to that flag. And then we're going to extend this through to the top. Let's flatten this out. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming over to the right. And then now let's just draw another diagonal line coming through to our circle. Adding in the final details here, we're going to add in some small circles here. So on the top, we're going to draw in a circle. We're going to come down on a diagonal across from both of those, again, drawing in another circle. Let's come down directly underneath that, adding in another circle. And then right in the middle here for the final circle. And that is it. That's how you draw Snowy Rescue Colt from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.